Hello friends. Today I will show you how to make bootable USB in Windows. First Rufus.ie will go to his address and take download Rufus. Whatever operating system we want to install, we need to download the ISO file. I'll use the ISO file of the Kali Linux operating system. We insert a USB memory stick into your computer and select the ISO file. If we are using an SSD, we choose the disk partition layout as GPT. If we use a HDD, we select MBR and launch it. That's it, and the bootable USB is ready. Thanks for watching.